Hello everyone, I'm Rebas. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade connection to SSE. SSE stands for Server Send Event, which is a way to send data continually to the client. So let's go into the SSE endpoint. We have one input, which is going from the query and the name and the tag name. Let's use the upgrade to SSE function, which is giving us SSE controller. We can configure all of it origin and ping duration and inactivity duration. After inactivity duration, it will automatically be closed, and we create a simple message, welcome, and use the name coming from the input. After that, we use send SSE function to send event to the client, providing the SSE controller. That's this SSE controller we created from using upgrade to SSE connect function. And we use the type of the event will be message, and the data, that's a data variable, it's a welcome message. And later we use it a simple loop to 5 times send a new message to the client, updating the SSE with the index of the loop. That's the index, and the type is message. And we use precondition function to uh, check if the message is sent or not. If not sent, we could close the loop, and after that we close the connection, so it will clean up the resource in the server. And we also wait 2 seconds before the next iteration. So if we test this, we're going to here. We can see the ping and welcome message, welcome repass, and it will 5 times send a message, and after that close the connection. That's a very basic way to send data to the SSE. But you also have a distributed SSE, so that a different user can connect to the same channels and get data from each other, like a chat. For example, if you're going to SSE publisher, um, uh, in here we also use it upgrade to SSE to upgrade the connection to SSE, and we use it, we create a new variable as a late, which is SSE publisher. SSE publisher, it is a way to send data to the client. We have currently SSE pops up using Redis publisher, so it will use Redis to publish a message to the different server, and using channel to different user. For example, we use late SSE publisher. uh, this variable we can easily create, for example, create variable, and for example we name publisher 1, and we have to select the type of SSE publisher. Can go to Cora and select it SSE publisher. But because this is an implementation and we have to set up and assign it, usually this happen inside the server hook, because we don't need to initiate inside the API handler uh, to continually set up this kind of thing. We have to set up once and use it again inside all the API. But here I'll show you how to create the late SSE publisher. Late is meaning it's a value will be assigned later. So we set the type, and if we go into all, and we have to change to late variable and save, that will create a late variable. Currently, is the late variable will be null. You have to assign it before any usage. So let's going back. Now we created this, we have to set up and start the new SSE publisher. We use it an if statement to check if there's already an SSE created or not. We use it as a registry value, which is used to check if a dependency is a registry. using name. And if registry, we just get the registry value and assign this to the publisher and cast the type SSE publisher. If there's no dependency initial registry, we have to create new Redis, and we have to provide the connection to the Redis, and uh, we also use new Redis SSE PubSub publisher, which is a function takes a reference. We set publisher. That's a publisher. We need a Redis DB and the sync channel. It can be any channel. This is just for internal syncing data. We use it already spot, and then we register this publisher globally so that the next user or the next connection, it will automatically use this publisher. You only have to have one publisher in your server. Then we provide the name and the instance of the publisher. After that, we start the SSE publisher by providing the publisher instance. If that all completed, we register the SSE controller to the a channel by a channel name. For example, we provide the SSE and the channel name is a test channel and provide the publisher uh, instance. After that, we created a new SSE event for the new event so it can be updated later. And result is event. We provide the name. Type of the event will be the name that comes from the input. After that, we update inside is a loop. We update the event data to the index, and we use publish SSE providing the event. We have it. We could also do in here if you don't provide the event at the top. And we have also need to the channel name, which is in this case test channel, and provide the publisher, and wait for 2 seconds and loop it again until 10 times completed. And after the loop is completed, we remove the SSE in this channel. So if you okay, now if we test this, for example, from the Rebus and another connection from Sarah, we can see each one see the event from each other because it's connected to the same channels. The Redis will send message to every instance. For example, if you have 10 instances or 100 instances, there's no problem because each server has their own connection to the Redis pops up so that it can listen to the message and send the message to the users that connect to the some channels. That's how it works. Hopefully, this will help you create more reactive and applications that update in real time. This will help you a lot, and it will be very easy to implement. And let me know if you need more implementation, like Kafka. We currently support only Redis Publisher, but we plan to support Kafka or a pull based using MySQL or Postgres database. And thank you.